And
it's on.
Hey everybody, me and Maisie are on our four-wheel camping trip on our four-wheeler. So let's turn it around and see us if we can. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm probably going to turn out kind of poorly, but that's okay. Alright, so film for a bit and we'll drive. We're on the Triple Tower Road.
Great.
On the Darling Hydro Line.
It's a bit bumpy over here.
Yeah, don't drop it. Different last time. We're going to go this way.
Johnny, stop.
What? What happened?
My scrunchie might have fallen. One of them.
Well, we'll have to get it on the way home.
But it might not have. I have one. But that's alright.
You press the button?